In this video, I'm gonna show you how manage locations of the farms. Click on Farms from the sidebar menu. Now click on Sections button of the farm you want to manage locations. To manage the miner's location, first you have to define sections. The section defines the physical location of each miner. To create sections, click on Create a new section. A new pop-up will open. Type the name of section, for example test, and write description, for example container 1 of the miner. And choose a maintenance responsible. Click Save. For more operation on the devices, click on the 3-dot button and Edit Devices. To edit devices or add devices, click Add Devices. Now select devices related to the section and click Add Selected Devices. Now click Save. Later, after we created the shelves for this section, we can update position for devices. To create shelves in section page, click 3-dot button in front of the section. Then click on Manage Shelves. Define each of the available shelves in the section. Name, row, column. For example, right 510, left 510. Click Submit to save. Now if you configured sections and shelves, the final step is to select the position for each miner. Click on 3-dot button in front of the section and choose Edit Device List. In the devices list, in front of each device, there is a location button. By clicking on it, you can choose the location for that device. After setting the location, the button changes to green. You can edit it later from here. Also, you can configure the sections from Devices page. Go to the Devices page and find the device which you want to set the location. Click on 3-dot button in front of the device and choose Edit Location from the menu. Go through the wizard and select the specific location you want. Get heatmap view. To be able to see the heat map of your devices, you need to fully set the location and position of devices. Go to the section page and find the section which you want to view the shelves heat map. Click on 3-dot button in front of the section and choose Shelf Heat Map from the menu. You can switch between heat map of the shelves of the selected section. You can filter the shelves view by Hashrate, temperature, IP address, and MAC address. You can export to the PDF file here. The color of each device shows its temperature. If you click on each device, you can see the device information. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.